Good morning. My name is Colleen Harper from CDI, and today I'm going to give you a brief glimpse into ServiceNow's customer service management solution. I'll highlight how a business can monitor the health of their customers' products and services to proactively create cases and fix issues. I'll also touch on the ways in which I can provide an omni-channel service through various communication channels, such as a self-service portal, virtual agent, or live chat. Goal being to provide customers with best-in-class service from any device, no matter where they are. To do this, I'm going to walk you through a brief scenario and demo. So let me set the stage for you. A company named Boxio recently purchased CDI Loyalties program to provide a rewards program to their customers. Julie Lewis is a Boxio employee who's responsible for managing that program and has a few items that need to be addressed pertaining to a billing issue, as well as slow application performance she's been experiencing. So let's see what that experience would be like for her. Let's say Julie's on the train commuting to work in a post-pandemic world, and she hops into her ServiceNow mobile app to see if she can find out why she hasn't been receiving her bill. She pulls open what's called the virtual agent and starts the chat. The virtual agent allows users to interact with a virtual or live agent through various messaging applications, be it the ServiceNow app or other. Topics or conversations can be built into the agent and are based on keywords that users enter. Julie's going to quickly scan the topics provided, and when she doesn't see exactly what she's looking for, she returns to the chat window and instead types in what her problem is. In this case, it's issue with bill. She submits that, and through natural language understanding models, the virtual agent is able to determine that Julie's issue stems from a billing question, and it's going to prompt her with a few preliminary questions. The first is to confirm the address they have on file for her. She selects yes, and it looks like the wrong one's on file because she actually moved last month. So let's go ahead and update that. The tool's going to prompt her for her street address, which she will now enter. She's actually on East 23rd Street. And then it will say, what city is she in? In this case, she's in New York. Lastly, it will prompt for the state, which is also New York. And then it will confirm with her that the address she provided is correct. Just like that, Julie's address is updated in live time and didn't require any agent or case to be opened. Let's say Julie has now arrived to Penn Station and she's got to head into the office. To pick up where she left off, Julie logs into the CDI customer service portal, where she can seamlessly open the virtual agent and continue the conversation if needed. You can see here the update. She doesn't need anything else at this time, so she's going to close out the chat. After closing out, Julie notices a red box at the top of the screen indicating an outage for Boxio rewards. Because CDI has ServiceNow's ITOM suite implemented, they have full visibility into their CMDB, which provides the topology of infrastructure that supports customer services. Because we have that visibility, we can correlate events detected by monitoring tools to impacted services and proactively notify the appropriate customers and their teams. Julie is able to get more detail around the outage by clicking into it, where she can see things like service status and outage history. Looks like this one just started today. Because of the status alert, she knows that the issue is being handled and therefore does not need to submit a case if she experiences slow performance in the rewards application. If needed, she can access the case record to communicate with the customer agent responsible for handling the case. From here, she has the ability to ask questions or provide additional details should the performance issue worsen. Once the issue is over or resolved, Julie should no longer see the outage alert on the service portal, and her performance issues should be a thing of the past. In summary, we were able to showcase Julie's experience through omni-channel interfaces and saw multiple areas of the ServiceNow platform working together to deliver a proactive outcome to better serve the customer.